Got some time this weekend? Today we're talking about 5 things you can do this weekend to improve your home's value. Hey everyone, it's Shelly Killinger here from the Shelly Killinger Group at Remax CSI. It's a common homeowner question: how can I improve my home's value? Of course, we've all heard that kitchens and bathrooms are the most important, and if you're going to remodel a room, focus your remodeling dollars there. But what if you don't have a large budget? And what if you want to do a project this weekend to improve the value of your home? That's what we're talking about today. 5 projects you can do this weekend to improve your home's value. Just because a project is small doesn't mean it won't have an impact on what your home is worth. So our first project is paint. Fresh paint in a neutral color is absolutely the best bang for your buck home improvement project. Buyers are typically turned off by jarring paint colors or old scuffed and chipped paint. And don't even get me started on wallpaper. I have actually had buyers refuse to look at homes because they have wallpaper. So painting your home in a neutral light palette will make your home feel light and bright and will add more visual square footage. If you have some extra time this weekend, pick up a paintbrush. It could make a difference in terms of your home's value. Project number 2 is to improve your outdoor space. So outdoor living space has become incredibly important and will absolutely add value. If you don't have a deck or patio, don't worry, add one. It doesn't have to be over the top. A gravel patio with flagstones and a fire pit could be an inexpensive weekend project that adds value to your home. The trick I have found to outdoor space is to style it correctly. Even a small patio can add a wow factor and value to your home if it looks adorable. Add a rug, some outdoor string lights, pops of color, and you're all set. Project number 3 is maintenance. This one probably should go without saying, but honestly, I see it time and time again as I'm listing and selling homes. Buyers are turned off by homes that have not been well maintained. If a buyer is walking through a home and noticing things that are broken or not well maintained, even if they're small things, they will begin to feel the house is worth less, which ultimately will yield you a lower sales price. So take some time this weekend to tackle that honey-do list of repair projects: that leaky gutter, the doorbell that doesn't work, the peeling paint on the side of the shed. All of those little weekend projects will add up to a well-maintained home that will sell for more. Project number 4 is curb appeal. Curb appeal is incredibly important when talking about how buyers will value your home. There are so many options when it comes to adding curb appeal. We're actually going to do an entire video on how to make sure your curb appeal is on point, so look for that in coming episodes. Adding curb appeal is definitely something that can be done in a small weekend project also. So for example, it could be simply cleaning up the landscaping you already have. Prune your bushes, add fresh mulch, you know the deal. Change out your doors perhaps, or maybe change out your garage doors to something a little bit more updated and trendy. Add lighting to brighten up your home's exterior, or maybe add some pops of colors with annual flowers and planters. All of those things can have a big impact on your home's curb appeal. Your home's exterior is the first impression that a buyer will have of your home, so take time to make sure it looks beautiful. Project number 5 is decor. I am convinced, and I say this all the time, that it is honestly the little things that sell homes. If you take 2 similar homes in the same neighborhood, but one has amazing decor, it will sell faster and for more money almost every time. You want your decor to be on trend, but not too over the top that it will not appeal to most buyers. It's easy to freshen up your home's decor in just a trip to Home Goods this weekend. For example, a mirror to lengthen the space in your dining room, new throw pillows to add a trendy pop of color to your master bedroom, or long drapes in a neutral color to properly frame your windows and add some texture to the room. Have fun with it. Look at Pinterest or Instagram for inspiration and enjoy the process of beautifying your home and adding value at the same time. Well, there you have it, guys. 5 quick and easy projects you could do this weekend to add more value to your home. If you like this video, give us some hearts, give us some thumbs up, and always, please feel free to subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any of our weekly videos. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. We'll see you next time.